Safety and accessibility. If there were ever two things that technology could impact, you'd have to say safety and accessibility. But when you talk about physical spaces like bathrooms and kitchens, safety and accessibility are not necessarily going to be approached the same way. For something to be safe, you need to be in an environment where you're not going to come into harm's way. A lot of technologies can help you do that, but not necessarily where they cross over with electronics. So the more you have to wire a space, the more you have to rely on systems to be fail-safe, to always work. If an emergency switch has to always be there in an emergency, you have to be very careful about how much mixed metaphor, how much mixed substance technology you put together. When I have an electronic system, an electrical system, and a physical system in one space, I could call it super safe and I could call it super accessible, but I don't know if I can always call it the same thing at the same time. Apps can help, software can help, and of course, good physical interfaces can help. But at the end of the day, a design strategy has to take into consideration that things break, and the more complex they are, the more likely they are to break.